I saw the light today. I saw the light today. Hi, this is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this video is how to play Light Today by Eddie Vedder. Now, this is a perfect example of minimalistic composition. And so we're not even going to show you a chart, I'm just going to show you the finger positions that happen all the way through the song. So you're going to start out with your ring finger on the 4th string, 5th fret. Your pinky is going to go behind it on the 2nd string, also the 5th fret. And then your middle and 1st fingers are going to be in position on the 3rd string, on the 3rd and 4th frets. And you're not going to play, this is the most important part, everything is without the 1st string, so you just might try to kind of lean your 1st finger over to mute it a little bit, maybe just in case you have an accident. And so you're going to start off with your pinky on the 5th fret. Your ring finger just stays on that 4th string the whole time. Then you move your pinky up to the 6th fret, and slide it down to the 5th fret. And that's the chord progression for Light Today. The hard part comes in the right hand. Your index finger is going to keep a steady drone on that low string on your 3rd string, while your middle finger and thumb pluck out a rhythm on the 4th and 2nd string. See, it's kind of hard to keep together doing it at the same time. I recommend you practice it, maybe sing along with the and then try it with just a leave your thumb and your middle finger on the strings. So practice the middle finger for a while. Then try throwing in the slow it down a little bit too, that always makes it easier to get the hand coordination. And if you do get confused, you don't get hurt when you wreck. This is Ben Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been How to Play Light Today by Eddie Vedder. Thank you for watching.